Hello guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in this video series we will talk about method references and constructor reference. So for now we have a topic method reference from Java 8. So method reference is just a shortcut way or a shorthand which is used to like whatever you can think of or write by using lambda expression, something similar you can achieve by using method reference. So you can say it's kind of an alternative for lambda expressions. Yep, that's right. Method reference is just an alternative for an lambda expression. So you don't have to actually write some logic. By using this technique method reference we can have the implementation. So from where we will get that, how to write that, we will learn in this series. Okay, so first thing says method reference. So in Java, of course, in Java 8, a method reference is a shorthand sentence for referring to a method or a constructor of a class. Later we will also see how to write constructor reference of a class. Okay, it allows you to pass a method as an argument to another method or assign it to a function interface. Again, you guys can see function interface is involved, and if function interface is involved, either you can go for lambda expression or method reference if possible. And we have like multiple ways of writing method references. If you have a static method, we can definitely go with the class name and this thing. Then if you have an instance method like noun method, so object name or reference and then this, and you want to create like a refer a constructor, so you can go for new keyword. Okay, but what's the highlight here? How we can detect that this is a method reference call? By using this double colon operators. So this is used double colon. So once you have this, and what you can do, just write on left side, it could be a class name, it could be object reference, as you can see on left hand side, and then the colon operator. So typo fix, then double colon, and there goes the method name. If you have noticed, we are not writing those parentheses. Like typically when you're writing method, you have to write this parenthesis, but in case of method reference, no, we don't need to write that. Just follow this up syntax, and we have our method reference ready. So how it works we will see in the next video. So this is just an intro of what is method reference, how to write it, and how to recognize that you are in method reference method just by writing this double colon operators. So stay tuned guys, let's meet in next video. Bye bye.